Samsung just launched its premium tablet Galaxy Tab S7 Fan Edition as the successor of Galaxy Tab S7. With the M1 iPad Pro launching, it seemed like other brands will fade away from the tablet market. But that's not the case for Samsung, as they bring their new device with some eye-catching features and upgrades. In this video, we'll be showing you all the features and upgrades of the Galaxy Tab S7 FE. So without further ado, let's get started. The newest member of the Galaxy Tab lineup comes with a slim unibody design that looks refined with minimal camera housing. This ensures a perfect grip on your hand as a tablet. With the Tab, you get a 12.4-inch thin-film transistor LCD display that delivers high-resolution pictures with vibrant colors. You get to choose your own color from a wide range of options available: black, silver, green, and pink. Equipped with Qualcomm's gaming processor Snapdragon 750G, the Tab can provide superior performance while gaming. You can play most games with the Tab having no lag issues at all. You can multitask, launching up to 3 applications simultaneously and still have full performance. For supporting this powerful processor, it comes with 2 RAM and ROM variants, 4x64GB and 6x128GB. You can also expand the storage up to 1TB with a microSD card. Samsung has made some notable upgrades with the camera section as well. The new device has an 8-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera that can capture quite sharp images. You can also record full HD videos at 30 FPS with amazing clarity. One more important feature that they have is the new center focus technology. While video calling, turn your Tab to landscape mode. And the relocated front camera keeps you in the center of the screen just like the iPad's center focus. The Tab also has 3 built-in microphones that listen to everything you say and reduce background noise for the best video calling experience. Watching movies and listening to your favorite tracks will be more engaging, as the Tab features AKG's Dolby Atmos audio for an immersive sound experience. The most exciting part of Samsung's Tab is their famous Stylus Pen. And this time there are many more ways of working with it. You can take notes, transform your handwriting to text, and swap info from one Galaxy device to another with ease. Moreover, you can simply stick the S Pen magnetically on the back for convenient carrying. The Tab can also help you make the most out of your creativity by offering a 6 months free subscription to Clip Studio Paint. Powered by a 10,090 mAh lithium-ion battery, the S7 FE delivers impressive battery life that can last up to 13 hours even after heavy usage. And for juicing it up, the Tab comes with a 45-watt fast charger that can fully recharge the Tab within 90 minutes. Even with all these features, the starting price of the Tab S7 Fan Edition is much lower and affordable. And as there are no worthy competitors at this price range, the Galaxy Tab S7 Fan Edition can be a true game changer for Samsung. So, do you consider having it as your daily usage tablet? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.